Oh my gosh. I got a fish on. What is up, everybody? This is Elijah with Righteous River Fishing in Oregon, and today I'm doing something a lot different than I normally do, because this year it's all about trying new fishing areas. I'm sick and tired of the Alsea River and its crowd, no offense, but it's just, I gotta try something new. And so I've been trying out new rivers this year. And I got here to this new place today, and things are looking really good so far. The reason I know that is because I talked to the locals. And the locals actually, thank you, Mike, so much. There's a guy named Mike, a local, and he gave me some outstanding advice. He catches fish here on this river all the time, and he corrected my setup and told me what I need to change to. So he's gone. All the locals left. I'm here. I'm gonna retie up. I was using 1/2 ounce bobber. I'm gonna go up to 1 ounce so I can get into this hole I really want to fish. And I already saw him catch a dark steelhead. I'll post a clip of that soon.
He just feels big because of all the current. Head first, then wiggly current.
Okay. All right.
There we go. Yeah.
Other side. I don't know if
Let's just walk him up onto the bank.
Okay.
But anyways, wish me luck. I need a steelhead today, so I'm gonna work this water until I find one. So let's go get some.
This water's beautiful. Oh, what the? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Did I just lose another fish, or did I hit the bottom? Gosh darn it. What am I doing?
Okay, we need an update here. So I've helped 2 people net their fish today, and I've yet to hook one. And I just feel like I need to change something up. So what I'm gonna do is rethink my setups. I'm gonna retie up things. Some guy gave me some sand shrimp. I helped him land a fish, and so he gave me sand shrimp. So I'm gonna retie, I'm gonna get refreshed, and hopefully go back at it and have some luck. Wish me luck.
I swear I just got a bite on a spinner, so I gotta come back and do it again and get my camera going. I mean, either there's a snag in there. That felt so much like a bite. Oh my gosh, what the heck was that? It's hard to see, but there's a nice eddy, soft spot on the inside seam here. But the rain just started really picking up, which I expected. There was supposed to be a lot of rain today. Oh my gosh. Wow. I got a fish on. Oh my gosh. I got a fish on. Okay, it's thrashing. It is thrashing. I'm bringing it down. Get to my net. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Guys, I actually hooked the fish. Been trying to get a steelhead all day. All day. Here it is. Oh. Here we go, here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. How am I gonna do this? I think I'm gonna put it in front of me. Try to lift it up. Doesn't seem huge. Oh, I lost it. I'm gonna lose it. Oh my gosh. How is this fish still on the jig? It's a hatchery. It's a hatchery. How did I not lose that? Guys, I got a hatchery fish. Where's my rod? It's in the water. Where's my rod? Where's my rod? My rod's in the water. Okay. Okay. Hold on. My rod is in the water. Oh. Oh. Almost lost my rod. Okay, okay. Here we go. Okay. Alright. This is chaos. This is chaos. My rod, dropped my rod in the water. Dropped my jig. Okay. Hang on. I've got a jig stuck. Oh my gosh. So many things stuck right now. Okay. I'm in the sticker bushes. I need to get out of the water before I loose and break something. Okay, I did it. I got a fish. Guys, I got a fish. I finally got my first steelhead this year. Oh, slow down, slow down. Take a look at this beauty. Oh, wow. It's a hatchery, and that is the most gorgeous face I've ever seen on a steelhead. I'm not even kidding. Okay. Alright. I'm having a true moment with this fish. Hey. Hard work and persistence pays off. Every time I catch a winter steelhead, it is the happiest day of my life. And I'm not kidding. Look at this. Oh. Oh. God is so good to those who follow him. Oh my gosh. Hatchery. First steelhead I hooked this year is a hatchery. Thank you, Lord.
100 grams.
Okay. I got you. Yeah. Hold on, let me get stable here. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm ready. Good job, bro. I've netted 3 fish for people today. Yeah. And look at that, it's a hatchery. Hey, hatchery. Good job.
Oh man.
You got it. Hey, you know what? I'll even pop that hook out if you want me to. Just because I have pliers.
Let's go up there.
You want me to pop it out? Yeah, it's hatchery. Here you go. Here, got your hook? Yeah, let's go.
Kind of sketchy down here.
I know. Okay. I won't lose your fish for you. I got you, man. You bet. That's a beautiful fish. Good job, man.
I wish I would have got this one first. I would have released the other one.
Look at that purple and pink. It looks great.